Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change the lock screen shortcuts on your Samsung Galaxy M21. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. If you are wondering how to change the lock screen shortcuts on your Samsung Galaxy device, just follow this full video. To begin, open Settings on your handset. Swipe up to go down. And find Lock Screen. Tap on it. Now find Shortcuts. Tap on it. Then tap on the left or right shortcut, depending on which one you want to change. Look through the list of all apps you have in your phone, and select the one you want to see on your lock screen. And it's done. Repeat the steps for the right shortcut, if you wish to replace that app as well. Now press the power key to lock the screen of your phone. And you will see the new apps shortcut on your lock screen. So in this way, you can change lock screen app shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy M21. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.